Plastic roads are made entirely of plastic or of composites of plastic with other materials. Plastic roads differ from the standard roads in the respect that the standard roads are made from concrete. They were first introduced in the Netherlands in 2018 and is now spreading across the globe.
The plastic road was mainly inspired by potholes on the street. It was invented by an Indian scientist. Just like all of us live in a city with more potholes than the streets, he thought plastic held the key to eliminate the easily causing potholes, while also recycling plastic instead of dumping or incinerating them. This idea has then inspired other countries around the world to start study and build more plastic roads.
How the plastic road can improve quality of our life. It can improve by being used in the climate adaptation, such as collecting the rainwaters and infiltrating it into the subsoil. And it also reduces the emission by 50% reduction in carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxide. This plastic road can also be constructed as a parking space, pavement, bike path, platform, and residential street for a better environment.
About materials used of plastic road. Plastic roads contain plastic recycled such as PET, or we can call polyethylene terephthalate, PP, or we can call polypropylene, and high or low density polyethylene, or we can call HDPE and LDPE, include bitumen or asphalt.
The fabrication process of the plastic road. First, we collecting the plastic that can be recycled and manage it. How many of them that we want to use? The second is cleaning the material and then drying it clearly. The third one is trace those plastic and mixing it, then melt it together at around 160 Celsius to 170 Celsius. The fourth step is mixing the shredded plastic that we got with a hot bitumen to form a road. And the fifth step is finally, when we finishing the previous step, then we can lay it down like a regular road to form a road in the area that we want.
Environmental impact. For positive, plastic road produce fewer carbon emissions. Second, it can help reduce the amount of plastic waste. Third, it mitigates flooding and can itself be recycled up to 7 times. Fourth, it requires no environmentally harmful concrete slabs and layers of asphalt. For negative, if plastic roads are widespread, then we have to import more plastic waste. Second, during the road laying process, the presence of chlorine will release a noxious hydrochloric acid gas. Lastly, the plastic can break down into microplastic particles, which could make their ways into soil and waterways.
There are also benefits to our economy. The incorporation of plastic resulted in a savings of roughly 22,000 baht per kilometer of road. The lifespan of these plastic road is around 40 to 50 years, so this will also save on the cost of repair in the long run.
So I noticed when we walk on the road, it feels very similar, and looks very similar just to regular road, right?
It's really very close to the regular road. There's only a little bit of plastic that's added in there to make the difference.
Well, I think it's really bad because, the road in Thailand sucks and it's like not smooth enough for me. And I think that if Thailand have plastic road, would save a lot of costs, and it would be like, it would make the road more smoother, because I love travel in cars, and people in Thailand will have a better life.
As we all know, plastic takes many years to decay, so this is not a way that we can eliminate plastic, and it's good for environment as well. The use of plastic in road construction is an innovative technology which not only strengthens the road but also increase the quality and road life. In the short run, we hope that we will have eco-friendly road which will help our Earth from all type of plastic waste.